What's up, everybody? I got this baked barbecue chicken wing recipe for you today. I'm excited about it. You should be excited about it. Let's go get it. Welcome back. Let's get started. I've already marinated the chicken for about an hour with the zesty Italian marinade. Some of the seasonings that I'll use. First, I'll start off with the black pepper. Then I'll go to the onion powder, seasoning salt, garlic powder, adobo with sazon, paprika, seasoned pepper, and then I'll use my secret weapon, the Jabba's barbecue sauce.
Tastes so good, make you want to slap your mama.
When I bake the chicken wings, I'll also spread them with some onions that I've already chopped up. So now I'll lightly season the chicken. So what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna take my seasoned wings and transfer them to the baking dish. Then I'm gonna take my Jabba's barbecue sauce along with my cut up onions and spread them over top of my chicken wings. And there you have it. So next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna take the chicken, cook it 50 minutes at 425 degrees. After that first 20 minutes, make sure you turn your chicken. As you can see, I kept it fresh and clean, wearing my fish grits and grown folks apron. You look good, you cook good. Okay, now we're done. As you can see, they came out really well. So now it's time to taste. This chicken is on fire. Just remember, you can pair this chicken with your favorite beer, whether it be Heineken or your favorite IPA. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook or Instagram and subscribe to us on YouTube. Until next time, I'll see you then.